Dear friends, in this video, I will tell you how you can hide pins on Pinterest. Step-by-step process. If you like the video, please like it. If you're not on the channel, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. In the first step, open your Chrome browser. Second step, go to the Pinterest.com website. Third step, log in with your Gmail account. Step number 4, find the pin you want to hide and click on it. Step number 5. Here's what you need to do. Click on the 3 dots. Step number 6. Click on Hide Pin. And in this way, the pin will be hidden. You can also check the requirements. And you must have gotten full information from this video. If you did, like the video. If you're not on the channel, subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon, and kindly share this video with your friends.